Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, no problem, Shahina. Now, we will do this a bit later, Shahina, but today we will focus on that exercise 2A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, whatever it is. It's a lot, very big
Okay.
chapter, very important. And I received your assignment, but Shahina, why do you write only your answer, not the solutions?
Wait, I didn't write that.
Can you open that thing? Okay, first, Shahina, let me show you some examples, all right? Here what I got from you, Shahina, math lesson. Okay, private lesson, where is it? Okay, why so slow? Okay, anyway. Shahina, can you see my screen now? Hello? Okay. Shahina, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
All right. Shahina, you actually wrote only answers, right? This is what you sent me. Let me also open it here. Privates. Okay. Where's your class? Shahina, Amira, math structure, math tutor, Shahina. Okay. Um, all right, let me share my screen. Shahina, can you see this? This is your work, right?
Yeah.
What do you do right here? Just A equals 2, right?
Uh-huh.
Why only answer? Actually, I left this space for your solution. You need to also show your work.
Oh. Okay.
Now I will show you a few examples. Okay, now you're going to do them here. Okay,
Okay.
here, um, and also while you do this, Shahina, you need to explain how you're solving these problems. All right. For
Okay.
example, okay, you start here. I ask you, Shahina, can you do example A? Okay, here, actually to solve this equation, right, we should take all unknowns to the left, right, and numbers to the right. So this one, so here we have 3a, just keep it here. Here we have a, take to the left, so it is minus a, equals negative 4 to the right, it is 4. Now we simplify, 3a minus a, it is 2a, and here we have 4, and here you can just draw a line, continue here. So a equals 4 over 2, that's equal to 2. Now dots, 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 the answer equals 2. Can you
Okay.
do like this, Shahina? So I will just watch and you will do this. And one more
Okay.
example here, question B, for example, let's say, here we have 50, negative 5a. So on the right-hand side, we do not have any unknown, right? Minus 5a equals 10. So we should take this 50 to the right-hand side. When it changes its side, also it changes its sign, right? It is plus 50, so it becomes minus 50. Actually, we are subtracting 50 from both sides, right, to eliminate this 50. Next thing is, Next thing is we have to simplify. Minus 5a is equal to 10 minus 50 minus 40. So from here, a is equal to minus 40 over minus 5 plus 40 over 5, that's equal to 8. Dot, 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 a is equal to 8. Okay, Shahina, let's try, okay? Can you share your screen with me and open this file? Is it in your folder? This exercise 2AB?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Shahina, can you share your screen with me?
Okay. I think it's this one. This one, right?
Okay, where is it? Yeah, can you? All right, very good. Okay, let's continue here. Only we solve the unsolved questions.
Okay,
Choose
D.
maybe dark reds, Shahina. Choose your pencil. Okay, choose dark red, dark brownish one. Okay, good. Okay, move up, move up.
This?
Yeah,
Okay.
move up. Okay, all right. Move up. Okay, good. Shahana, can you do B again
Okay.
and try to do a bit faster, okay? If I
Okay.
just in all the questions, then we will actually skip to another part of this chapter.
Okay. Cool. The time you take that there, that's 50, which equals.
But Shahina, on the left, if you take 50, what is left? Minus 5a, right?
Oh yeah, minus.
Okay. So
Uh,
right from the new row, not don't write equal, don't continue because equation do it step by step.
okay. Equals to 5a divided by negative.
No, no, no. Why are
Wait,
dividing?
hold
Minus
on.
5a equals, simplify the left hand side, simplify the right hand side.
And that's negative 40.
Equals.
Oh, we are what is that? That's 40, 40 divided by 5.
No, no, Shahina, don't write like this. Now from the new row, write a equals negative 40 over negative 5 because you divide both sides by negative 5, right? So if you divide both sides by negative 5, what is left on the left-hand side? A. So minus 40 over
Negative
minus
5
5.
equals to 8. So,
Okay.
equals to
All right. Good. So as you practice more and more, you get more actually comfortable with writing. Okay. Scroll down. Okay. Do D, Sahina. Do D. How do you do D? Let me see. Yeah, you have a lot of space. You can use anywhere there. Okay. Just tell me, how do you do that?
I think you do.
Okay.
Um,
Write it.
uh, No, that's 3.
Why did you delete it?
Because like that's rewriting this, but I wasn't sure. Do that. So, like, so do we just combine 1/2 and 1/3, or do we subtract them?
You can do this, but another way is, Shahina, we know that in equations, if you multiply both sides by a number, it doesn't change anything, right? It doesn't change the solution of the equation. So multiply both sides by 6. Can you multiply both sides by 6?
Yes.
Let me see. Multiply by 6.
That'll be 3/6.
Why is 3 over
A.
6? What is 6 times 1/2?
Oh, so 1/2.
What is 6 times 1/2?
That is 6 and 12. 6/12. Wait, I'm
Shahina,
confused. I'm so
6,
confused.
6 times 1/2 equals, can you just write somewhere there? Okay, we have a lot of space. Use it. You know?
Wait,
I would move
here?
up and right there. Yes, right. 6
Huh?
times 1/2
Uh-huh.
equals,
Oh, so that's 6/2.
so that's
Right?
6/2. What is 6/2?
Oh, that is 3.
That is 3. Oh, you don't have to delete, Shahina. Just keep it there. You don't have to delete. We have a lot of space. Eh? Just write it. It's not for you. So multiply by 6. Try to write a bit faster.
So that is 3A minus 1/3 times 6. That 6/3, which is 2A equals 2. So 3A minus 2A, that is A.
Shahina, also you need to multiply right-hand side by 6.
Oh, yeah.
Because we are multiplying both sides by 6, right?
So 2 times 6 equals 12. So that is
Just write 12. Put 1 in front of 2. Put 1. You
oh,
don't have to delete, Shahina. You don't have to delete. Just keep it there. Write
okay.
everything there.
Okay. Equals 12. So that's A equals 12. Is that right?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Okay, we need to find A, right? As you see here, if you substitute 12 for A in the equation, evaluate this, it will be equal to 2. You can check this. 1/2 times 12, it is 6. 1/3 times 12, it is 4. 6 minus 4, it is 2. Well, that's correct.
Okay.
Okay, scroll down. Shahina, can you do question E? Show me question E. Do
E?
it. Yes.
E? Okay.
Yes, E.
That could be with
As you see here,
4.
use the same method, Shahina. Multiply both sides by 4. Let me see.
Okay.
Multiply both sides by 4.
That's 16.
What is 4 times 3/4?
But 19/4?
4 times
Right?
3/4. Just write it
Oh,
down if you
4
on the right hand
times.
side. 4 times 3/4.
4 times 3/4 equals 4 times 3, that is 12/4, right? 12/4. So 12/4 and minus.
Okay, Shahina, now stop here. Stop here. Okay. I will show you how, when I say multiply, how you should do that. Can you see my screen?
Um, no, I'll stop sharing. There.
Okay. Can you see now?
Yeah.
Okay, Shahina, here you are doing question E. Why we are multiplying by 4, Shahina? Because we don't want to deal with fraction. I want to change fraction into a whole number. That's why. As you see here, we have 4, right? And here we have 2. And what is the least common multiple of 4 and 2? Least common multiple of 4 and 2 is equal to 4. That means that if I multiply both sides by 4, then we will have only whole numbers. Okay? And when I say Shahina multiply by 4, multiply like this, Shahina. 4 times, multiply each one by this. 3 over 4a minus 4 times 3 equals 4 times 1 over 2a. Then simplify. Okay, Shahina? Now
Okay.
simplify. What is 4 times 3 over 4? Look here. 4 times 3 over 4. You should do this mentally. It is 4 means here we have 1, right? 4
Yeah.
times 3 over 4.
That's
Before
fine.
multiplying this, write it down. Maybe we can simplify this. As you see here, 4 common factor. You don't have to multiply 4 by 3. So that's equal to 3. So here, this thing is equal to 3a minus 4 times 3, it is 12. 4 times half, 4 times 1 over 2, right? So this 4 times 1, it is 4, 4 over 2, which is equal to 2. So here we have 2a. Now take a to the left-hand side, 3a. It is positive, so it becomes minus 2a equals negative 12. Take to the right-hand side, it is 12. And 3a minus 2a, it is a equals 12.
12.
And that's the answer. Show me
Okay.
your word like this, Shaheen, okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, share your screen now.
Okay, so
Okay, let's continue. Move to the next question, F. So what do you think? By what number we should multiply?
uh 3.
3. Okay, multiply both sides by 3.
That is, let's see, 3 and 1 over 3.
No, Shahina, right there. I just showed you 3 times 1 over 3a.
Okay. 3 times 1 over 3 and
minus
minus
3 times 3
3 times 3
equals
equals
3
0.
times 0.
Oh, 3
Right,
times
3
0.
times 0. I know actually it's a 0, but now we are practicing. Later you should do this mentally, but now
Okay.
let's just do this. And right, that's 1 over 3, not 2. It looks like 2. 1 over 3, right? 3 times 1 over 3.
Okay. 3 times 1 over 3 minus, okay.
A. 1 over 3a, right?
Okay. So 3 times
What is 3 times 1 over 3?
3 over 3, which is 1.
Okay,
So
1.
basically,
Even
that's
without this, you
A.
should say that 3 times 1 over 3 is a, right? A.
A minus 3 times 3 is
No. At the
9.
same time, take this minus 9 to the right-hand side. So we have a equals 9, right?
Okay, so that is 1 equals 2 5.
Ahina, here
So,
on the left-hand side, we have negative 9. If you take to the right-hand side, it is
oh, it's
positive 9.
positive.
Wow, you made so simple mistakes.
Goes down.
Okay?
Okay. Goes down.
Okay, you don't have to click on the draw. You don't have to delete anything. We have enough space, Shahina. Don't just click on the draw. So without clicking on this, can't you scroll down with mouse?
No.
Oh, I see.
I just write on it.
Okay. G. Shahina, do G. Let me see.
Okay.
I don't give you any hint. Just do it. You have 1 minute.
So that could be basically 2. We do that to 1/2, and 1/2 times 2 equals to a plus 2 times 2 equals 2 times.
Shahina, why did you write 1/2?
Oh, I just turned it into a fraction.
But
So like,
1.5 is 3/2, not 1/2.
oh, 1.5. Oh, I thought it was 0.5.
It is
Uh,
3/2.
3/2. Okay. So that is 2 times 3/2. That is 6/2. So 2, that is 3a. So it's 3a plus 2 times 2, 4. No, I have to change that. It's 2 times 5, that is 10. 10. Wait, did I do something wrong?
No, nothing wrong. Continue. It is 2 times
Okay,
2, 4, right? Just write 4.
okay. Equals
Right. 4
10.
equals, what is 2 times 5? 10. Very good.
10.
Next,
Okay,
right on
and
the right hand side, we have space, right? Right from on the right hand side, draw a line and write from.
a plus.
Oh, Shahina, draw a nice line, yeah, starting from the same row from the equation.
Wait, like this line or from here? Wait, like
Can you see the question G?
G, yeah,
Yes, start from there. Yes, start from there. Okay, draw a line until the next question.
yeah.
Very good. Okay. Now
Okay.
continue from there. Okay. So now we take 4 to the right hand side, right? Or how do
Uh-huh.
we eliminate 4 from the left hand side? We should subtract 4 from both sides. Right. 3a equals.
3a equals
Why don't we start from the top? Why did we draw a line?
uh 3a equals uh minus 4. 3 minus 4.
First, just write Shine 10
Wait.
minus 4, right? 10 minus 4, right? Because we subtract the 4 from
Minus
both sides. 10 minus 4. Now,
10
just
minus
now,
4.
Shahina, you are practicing. Let's do step by step. Later, you can do this mentally, okay? So, right, 3a equals.
Look here, right?
I know,
3a.
why are you writing so slowly?
I don't know. I don't want to press this button, which makes it like, I don't know, it goes.
Okay, maybe as you practice more, you get faster, hopefully. What is 10 minus 4?
No, that's 6.
Okay, write 6 quickly. So now, how do we eliminate 3 from the left-hand side? What should we do here?
We add 3 to.
We should divide both sides by 3, right?
Oh, divide it, yeah.
Because it is multiplied. So if you divide left-hand side, 3 is gone, only a left. So a equals 6/3.
A equals 6/3, which also equals to 2.
Okay,
Right?
2, right,
So
dot,
A,
dot, dot, a equals 2, dot, 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 a equals 2. That's it, very easy.
okay.
Continue. Question H. Now tell me, what is the first step? What do you do in the first step here in question H?
Um, I turn the what do you call decimal into a fraction.
No. First,
Okay.
eliminate -1 from left-hand side. How
Oh,
do we eliminate -1? Because it's just a constant number, right?
We subtract what?
Subtract or add?
Oh, add.
Because it is minus, right? So we should add. Or simply take -1 to the right-hand side, it becomes plus. So right, 0.5a equals
4 plus 1. So that is,
okay. No. From the new row, Shahina, don't write like this. From the new row, can you change 0.5 into fraction, Shahina?
yeah,
What is it?
1/2.
Good. Right. 1/2
Half A
a
equals to
equals
5.
5. So what is next?
So we divide
Now, how do you eliminate half from left-hand side now? What should we do in the next step?
5 divided by 1/2.
So we should multiply both sides by 2,
Oh,
right?
multiply by 2. Okay.
Multiply both sides by 2.
1/2 multiplied by 2. That is A equals 5 times 2. That is 10. Equals 10.
Okay, Shahane, you should do these things faster. It must be a piece of cake. You need to practice more and more. Now you are
Okay.
getting better. Good. Continue.
Okay.
Read the question.
If A is an integer, find the possible solutions, if any, for each of the following by observation.
Okay, if A is an integer, right? What are the integers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4? These numbers are integers, right? So now, if A is an integer, find the possible solutions, if any, for each of the following by observation. What number square is 4, Shahina?
2.
2. Only 2?
Yeah.
How about -2? Can you write -2 squared?
Oh, that is true. So
So we have
it
two possible answers, right? Because -2 times -2, also it is
is
4.
also 4.
So you need to write A equals 2, or, Shahina, right after this,
Oh,
or A equals -2.
or
Or A equals -2. So how many solutions does it have?
2.
2, right? One is 2 and one is
Oh, okay.
-2. So if I ask Shahina, x squared is equal to 9. What is x? What are the possible values of x?
3 and then -3.
Very good. How about question B? Can you solve question B? Show me your solution. Do question B.
Okay. Oh, that's easy. But I did this
First,
in my head.
Shahina, actually in solving equations, the idea is we need to keep all unknowns on one side and numbers on one side, right? Can you take -a squared to the right-hand side? What we have here then? Then 9 equals, right?
5
9
equals.
a squared.
So A is equal to 3.
3 or
3 or -3.
good. So
So
dot, dot,
A,
dot.
so dot, dot, dot. A equals to 3 or -3.
Okay, Shahina, if I ask you, show that -3 squared equals 9. Can you show me why -3 is the
-3.
answer?
Well, if you -3 times negative to 9, but I don't know if like you could understand like.
No, Shahina, you need to show like this.
Should I stop sharing?
Okay, wait. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah.
Good. We are solving these problems, right, Shahina? Here, it's already here. All right, from here, as you see, 2 squared equals 4. Or negative 2 squared. And what does square mean? It means negative 2 times negative 2. Negative 2, negative, plus 2 times 2, 4. Therefore, this dot dot means therefore. Therefore, both right 2 and negative 2 satisfies the equation. So A equals 2 or A equals negative 2. In
Okay.
similar way, when you are solving B, all right, you just take this to the right-hand side here. So here we have minus A squared equals, take 9 to the right-hand side. It is minus 9. Now multiply both sides by negative 1. Negative 1 times negative, it is A squared. Negative times negative, it is plus 9. From here, as you see, 3 squared equals 3 times 3 equals 9. Or negative 3 squared, right? That's equal to squared. Negative 3 times negative 3, negative, positive. 3 times 3, 9. So both answers produces the same result. So from here, dot, 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 then A equals 3 or A equals negative 3. And how about C? You just wrote confused. Here we have A squared, right? Take to the right-hand side, minus 16. Can you tell me any number whose square is negative? It's not possible, right? In real number system, if you take any number, square it, right? It is always positive.
Oh yeah,
So
I was
that means
confused on that.
that's why in the question it says that if A is an integer, find the possible solutions, if any, for each of the following by observation. So what do you write here, Shahina? Dot, dot, dot. What do you write here?
Uh, A equals A
No,
over 2.
this, you should write this equation has no
Oh,
integer solutions
oh, okay.
because we cannot solve it, right? We don't have any integer whose square is negative number.
Yeah,
Okay?
unless you
And how about this, Shahina? It says that square root of what number is 5? Actually,
25.
it is, if you just square both sides by square like this, we can square both sides, right? Square root of A squared is just A. And 5 squared, it is 25. So the answer is A equals 25.
Oh,
Okay?
okay.
How about E? And also this one, Shahina, cube root of A, right?
Okay.
Here we have 3. To eliminate this cube, actually, root, we need to raise to the power of 3. Do the same thing to the right-hand
That's
side,
27.
right? So this 3 cancels each other. Here we have A. What is 3 cubed?
27.
27. So that is the answer.
A equals, okay.
How about F?
Uh, 3A equals
We do the same
2.
thing, Shahina. Here we have 3, right? So we have to raise to the power of what? 3.
3.
So the same thing to
3
the right-hand
over
side, negative 2
3.
to the power of 3. So this 3 cancel each other. Here we have A. What is negative 2 cubed? This thing means negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, right?
4 times
Negative 2, 4. 4 times negative
negative
2,
8.
negative 8. So that is negative 8. So cube root of negative 8 equals negative 2.
Okay.
How many questions we have? Okay, Shahina, let's finish this two, then you'll have break, okay? And
Okay.
how about G, Shahina? Here, G, how do you solve this? Again, here we have 3, right? So 3 cube, I mean, cube root of A plus 4.
Plus
To
4.
eliminate this, we have to raise to the power of
Power
3.
3.
Very good. Also here, the power of 3. This 3 cancels each other. What we have here? A plus
Plus
4.
4.
On the right-hand side, what is 4 cubed?
4, 60, 62, 60 times 3, right? Oh no, 60 times 4, that is
4 times 4 times 4. What is 4 times 4?
64.
So that's 64, right? So that's
Yeah,
equal to 64. Shahina, if a plus 4 equals 64, what is a?
60.
60.
Oh,
And
I
how
just
about h? How do you solve h? Tell me, what should I do here?
um, do we do it by 2? Like
Square, right? Square
square root
both
of
sides. Here we have 2a plus 1. So we have to square. And also here we have 7 squared. And continue. So 2, nothing means here we have 2. Cancel each other. Here we have 2a plus 1. And 7 squared is 49. Now I need to eliminate this 1. So it's plus, so we should subtract, right? 1 from both sides. 2a, 1 minus 1 is 0. 49 minus 1, which is 48. Now to eliminate this 2, it's multiplied. So we should divide both sides by 2. It's something like this. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. These two cancel each other. A left here. So what is it here? 49 minus 1. 48
48,
divided by 2. It is
24,
24.
4. A
You
equals
should explain like this. Okay, Shahina?
okay. I think
Shahina,
X
have some
minus.
rest. Maybe next session will be a bit longer. Okay, we have to finish these things. Now you are going to solve them. After 10 minutes, we will continue. Okay?
Okay.
All right.